welcome back to BirdTricks Kids. I'm Capri. In today's video, I'm going to do a fun Easter theme. I'm going to set up an Easter egg hunt for my birds, and they're going to get Easter baskets. But first, I need to go grab a few things. So let's go shopping! So I ran away from my parents and I need to get secret stuff for the birds. I want like a cute inside thing for like inside their baskets, but what could I do? Brain's not functioning. So we got lettuce and we're gonna shred some carrots for the baskets. I think we got everything we need, so we're gonna go home and assemble all the cute baskets.
Barry would like to know what you guys are working on.
We're working on an Easter thing. Do you like those?
I like millet better. Did somebody say there's millet?
Can you try this? No! Barry!
Okay, so we thought these would be a great idea, and they are not, because what happened?
I kind of shattered it. Dang it!
Well,
Ow. And it almost cut me.
Yeah, like there's still pieces of kind of metallic stuff on your hands. So if that's on her hands and it almost cut her, I think we're gonna throw these ones out and maybe just use them for decoration, but not actually have to crack them open, because I don't think these are very bird safe.
Or human safe.
or people say.
So I finished filling all of the little eggs with some treats. Next, I'm gonna start skinning some carrots. A little nervous about you, Barry. I'm skinning the carrot because I wanted to put some skinned carrot and some shredded lettuce in their Easter baskets so they have something to play with and something to eat.
She's just like, if I don't have a tray for my wheatgrass, I'll just walk on the carrots.
You want the wheatgrass?
Here's our baskets. We got big baskets for the big birds and very sized basket.
And then afterwards, we can use it as a hat for Icy.
Barry hated that idea. Just FYI, I did order these natural baskets, but we're still not going to leave these to the birds unattended. This is just for this cute little thing under supervision. Okay, Barry? I do think we might be able to fit a like natural hard-boiled egg in here, especially if we dyed it. That would be kind of cute.
Somebody say diet?
Barry likes her food better when she can walk on it. Blueberry, you're missing all the action over here.
Come on, Blueberry. Bye.
Bye, Barry. For you, so that it's nice and safe for you. So you can play with it. I want to squeeze you in your little carrot face. Here, I want to squeeze you in your little carrot
Barry,
face.
don't let me do that.
Doesn't have favorites, but if she did, it'd be me.
What?
Just saying. Just saying. We're buddies. Most of them.
Most.
Right, Barry?
Like half of the time.
Hey. More than that. You're just jealous.
Maybe a little.
This looks really good.
Yeah.
You've done a great job. Blueberry, have you seen this? Look at this amazing job that Capri's done. Wanna see? You could start assembling Barry's basket. Actually, this might be Barry's basket. She's enjoying just having a foraging tray. Barry's having a great time.
Barry! So I'm gonna make Tissa's egg. You just threw the yellow.
No, that's Barry.
Oh, Barry, you just threw the yellow.
The look of guilt.
She is ready. She doesn't think these eggs need to be dyed. They need to be eaten.
Then I'm gonna grab some stuffing they can play with.
Well, what did I do? Because I have this really cool spot on it, but I'm not sure how I did that. How did I do that? See? Look at the tip of the egg. It kind of works. This is Tissa's Easter basket.
Yep.
This is like
The colors of Tissa
a
are
lot
the
of
eggs.
treats.
And then the treats.
Kind of legit.
That's really cool.
And then my
He's
little
gonna be
mixture.
so happy. I
big.
think he should have to forage for some of that. So yeah, there we go. So Dave, why don't you go take the eggs that are for Barry and go hide them so we can do Barry's Easter egg hunt.
Wait.
Which ones are
What are,
for her?
yeah.
Well, I don't know. You guys did them. Which ones are for her?
Which ones are berries?
Those?
You didn't keep track of which ones are for Barry?
Berry!
Oh no! She's
Not this one.
she needs to find the eggs that
The
are
top
meant for her.
I have berries. Well, they're eggs for Blueberry. She also probably has some in here.
I didn't keep track.
That one's adorable.
Thanks.
Barry, you're not allowed to watch.
Put one on the top of her cage.
Don't look.
Don't get her attention right before you do it.
Barry got the top egg.
Really? Oh, she did.
Barry, Barry, you found your egg.
She found it. She wants to know what's in it.
I
Let me
love You won it. Good job, Barry. You gotta find the rest of your eggs.
All right, Blueberry, you see anything over there? It's right there. It's behind you.
Okay, Barry, let's see what you found. You found millet. That's millet. Barry has one more egg to find in her Easter egg hunt. What's over out? It's all over on this one.
See anything in here, Barry? Oh, I could tell when she... Barry, do you see anything? What's in there, Barry? Wrong way, wrong way. Barry found it. Good job, Barry.
You want to see?
She got all pissy when you grabbed it.
Here's what you got.
Yay! Okay, go hide her Easter basket while she's in here. Go, go, go. Nothing to see here, Barry. You're very good at Easter egg hunts, Barry. Wanna go find your basket?
Found it.
You found your basket, Barry!
No?
She found the egg in her basket. Oh, she's taking the tiniest little bites out of it.
There you go, Barry. So I'm gonna hide 5 Easter eggs for Tissa, including his mini basket and his big one. So one's gonna be right there, one right here, one here, one here. So last egg goes here. Are you ready to go on an Easter egg hunt? Kinda? You gotta find 5 eggs first, okay? Then you gotta find 2 baskets. Go find some eggs.
He has no idea what's going
He
on.
has no clue.
Why don't you show him what's in that egg?
Good.
He's like, oh, I would have known.
When your budgie's braver than your macaw. Holy moly, that was a good treat in that egg. All right, help him find the second one. He's ready now.
You find another? see one?
Must be over here.
That's not a treat one? What's this? Is this an egg? Did you find one? This one's fun. Let's go look for another one. Come here. Did you find one? Do you see any? Do you see anything? Look for one kind of like this. Find one.
He's like, you had one this whole time?
What's this? This one?
Shake it. There you go.
There's no one.
That was a berry one. He's like, no thanks. Not much for millet.
There's this one. Come on, let's go. What's
Did you find another one too?
this? This one?
Got a really good helper.
Do you want me to open it? Whoa! Jackpot! Look how many. Good boy. Look, you dropped this. He has one more egg to find. Let's go. Whoa. Whoa! He found all of his eggs. So now he has to find his little basket. And
He's
his
looking at you. He's like,
Do you want to find your little basket?
what's that?
this?
Tooth?
What is it?
No. He's like, egg shouldn't be that color.
Try it? It's white fish.
Like, no thanks.
Look at this. I made you the special. Look what's in here. Whoa! Jackpot! Oh,
He actually doesn't like those that much.
you found a different one.
Looks like you found a cashew.
Take one or two. Want it? Get one. Sounds like there's a lot. Look at all this stuff. Dig through here. We'll find some stuff. See?
You want any egg pieces? No?
Yeah.
Well, looks like Tissa had a good Easter.
Yep. You gotta find some eggs. And they got surprises in them. Go over
Pocket
here.
two on the ground. I
Okay.
think that's a good idea.
What if you come over here? Look, come over here. Come on. What's that? Do you want it? What's in it? Give me a little piece. Do you want to go find another egg? Yeah? That was so cool. If you see an orange egg, rock out! Yeah? Roll over if you see a pink one. Whoa, big one. Bite?
Oh boy.
Oh gosh. No, I didn't think she liked those. Can you stop?
Nope, too late, guys. It was in her Easter egg. She found it.
Who's cleaning the floor?
Free.
Come to me if you see a pink egg. Plastic. Woo! Look, I made you this. So she's not interested.
Bonnie?
Fauna didn't like her basket as much as the others. Is that true? Thanks everyone for watching my fun Easter video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cute bird videos. For some fun Easter ideas, check out our cookbook, The Healthy Holidays Edition. Bye everyone!
Who's cleaning up this mess? It's you.